Bakr I study in class 2 STEM. Respected sir, ma'am and my dear friend, today I am going to speak few words on the great person in my life, the inspirational one, or I can say the most impactful person in my life is, any guesses? Whom I am going to take the name is my Walida, my mother. I call her Mama. My mother is a woman like no other. She teaches me after school, presses me every day, sometimes shouts at me, visits me every day, but most importantly, she loves me unconditionally. One secret I want to share with you all. My mother is a very bad storyteller. Yes, when she narrates the story to me and my brother, we really don't understand the sense of the story, but we laugh and laugh so much, all three of us, and that moment we share is priceless. My mother makes me feel happy. Allah can't always with us. That's why made mothers. My mama motivates me for good deeds and achieve in better places in Deen and Dunya both. Alhamdulillah. Well, that's all I wanted to express. Hope you all like my speech. Have a nice day. Thank you so much.
Each fine day with my ball, I like to play. I bounce my ball, I throw my ball, I catch my ball. On each fine day out in the garden, each fine day with my ball, I like to play. I tug my kite, I pull my kite,